Hi, Larry Crowe back with another hand pattern. So the first step is to take this hand pattern, put it on the snare drum, and play it nice and smoothly. So all the rights and lefts, nice and even. Try to get a nice smooth sound. Okay, and we'll start this off and we'll do it at 60 beats per minute. And here's what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we'll speed that up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our next step is to add one accent to the pattern, and we're going to put that right on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next step is to make a groove out of this. So we'll put all the right strokes on the hi-hat, left strokes on the snare, and we'll try some different bass drum patterns. Remember to play the accent as a rim shot on the snare. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are a couple more examples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next up is to add 2 accents to the pattern. We'll put an accent on beat 2 and on beat 4. Okay, here's what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's make a groove out of this. And I'll give you a couple of examples. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next variation has 4 accents, and this variation lends itself really well to drum fills or soloing ideas. So we're going to throw it around the kit, put the accents on the toms, and we'll do a variation with some cymbal crashes, and we'll put it together with a drum beat so you can hear what it sounds like as a drum fill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the next possibility is to add some double strokes. In this first variation, we're just double stroking all the single rights of the pattern, okay? And this is what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to put this together with a Afro-Cuban foot pattern, the tumbao, and play it on the snare drum and the rim. And that gives you kind of an interesting kind of feel for this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next possibility is a variation that uses double strokes on all the single lefts of the pattern. Okay, and let's hear what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, we'll put that on the snare, and we'll use sort of a Latin, New Orleans kind of foot pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. So have some fun with those. There's a lot of ideas there, and I'm sure you can come up with a few of your own. Okay, take care.